Let's do it.
In this video, we're going to be TIG welding aluminum and talking about pulsing with the foot pedal. This is Brad Goodman, also called Deep South Dime Stacker on Instagram, doing a T-joint, 1/8 inch thick aluminum using the pedal pump technique. Brad came by for a few days, put on quite a clinic. We chucked up a big thick piece of aluminum in a turntable so we could all take turns learning how to pump the pedal. That's a whole video all by itself. It gave us a lot of practice time. This video is going to be about just a straight up T-joint, 1/8 inch thick material using the pedal pump technique. This is a very short video just focusing on technique. If you want to see the full detailed video listing all the amplitude, dynasty settings, and all that kind of stuff, you can see that at welderskills.com. Just like with pulse settings, you need more amperage than you would without pulsing.
For pedal pumping, I like to use a little bit more amperage because I want the heat to get there quick and penetrate and be able to get off fast. So I actually run my amperage a little bit higher for pedal pumping this particular joint.
You'll notice in these close-up arc shots that you'll see in just a second, Brad is not letting off the foot pedal a whole lot. Just a little bit, just to give that pedal a chance to freeze a little bit. This would be comparable if you were using pulse settings to maybe a 60 or 70% background current. But it does help control the heat, and it does give a very distinct ripple pattern. Brad welds a lot of tread plate, a lot of dog boxes, high-end motorsports applications, and things like that. Customers want a certain look. When they're paying top dollar for a product, they want a certain look, and this is the way he's able to provide it. This is a number 5 clear cup that Brad is using here today. He uses a number 5 a lot for T-joints like this, lap joints, as well as outside corner joints. A T-joint like this, since it's a trough, it will trap argon, so you don't generally need as much argon flow as you would on an outside corner joint, but you do need to think about that, and you need to tune it along with your AC balance depending on your conditions like humidity. If you'd like to see the detailed version of this video, along with the detailed settings, as well as lots of other videos on TIG welding aluminum and advanced settings, go to welderskills.com. Use discount code DIMESTACKER25 for 25% off your first 3 months. And thanks for watching.